Hello student, this is the isometric view of an object. We draw full sectional front view and top view of the following isometric drawing. The mark X indicate front view. See, from this side we take front view. In front view we see this portion, this portion, we see this circle, and this portion, and also this portion. This line and this line coincide, and this portion and this portion coincide. Tap M12 into 10 depth, this will be hidden, and also in front view this line will be hidden. See, from top we take top view. In top view we see this rectangular portion, this circular portion, this portion, and the half circle portion from top, this portion, and this portion. This tap diameter will be shown, and this edge and this edge, this will be hidden, and this will be hidden, and from top this inner circle, this will be hidden, and this will be hidden. Now we see from front. First we draw front view. In front view first we draw this portion. This is 30, this is 10, this is 60, this is 10, this is 30, this is 20, this is 120. Okay, to draw line, click on line, ortho on, specify first point, specify next point 30, next specify next point 10, specify next point 60, specify next point 10, specify next point 30, specify next point 20, specify next point 120. Now C for close. Okay. Now we draw this portion, this circular portion, this portion, we draw this portion the center line, this is from base, this is 60, this is 60, and from this edge, the center line, this center line is 90. Okay, now we draw a parallel line from this line, this is 90. For parallel line, click on offset command, offset distance 90, select object to offset, specify point on side to offset. Okay, now sketch this. Now we draw a parallel line from this line. For parallel line, click on offset command, offset distance 60, select object to offset, specify point on side to offset. Okay, now draw the circle, 70 millimeter diameter circle and 30 millimeter diameter circle. To draw circle, click on circle command, specify center point, the intersection point is the center point. For diameter type D, diameter of the circle is 70, enter. Now again we draw circle, click on circle command, specify center point this. For diameter type D, diameter of the circle 30 millimeter. Okay, now we draw parallel line from this center line, in this side 5 millimeter, in this side 5 millimeter. Click on offset command, offset distance 5, select object to offset, specify point on side to offset, specify point on side to offset. Now extend this, Now use trim command, click on trim, select object to trim, enter, select object to trim, this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion. Okay, erase this line, erase this line and this line. Now we draw this tab portion, this will be hidden in front view. This diameter is M12, 12 millimeter, and depth is 10 millimeter. This will be hidden in front view, and also this is 10 and this diameter 30. This will be hidden in front view. Draw the tab portion, click on offset type 3, select object to offset, specify point on side to offset. Okay, now trim this portion, trim select object, enter, select object to team, select object to team. Now erase this line and this line. Okay. Now we draw a line. Tap is 12 millimeter depth, so offset 12 millimeter, offset distance 12, select object to offset, specify type. Next, team command, team this portion, team this line, this line, this line, this line, erase this portion, erase this line. Now for thread we draw 1 millimeter offset, 1 millimeter offset in this side and in this side. Now join this and join this by fillet command. Okay. Now we draw offset distance 35, enter, select object to offset, specify point on side to offset. Okay. Now draw a line from this end point and tangent, line, click on line, then specify first point, this end point, specify next point, tangent. Okay. Now erase this line. In front view there is a hidden line 25 millimeter distance, offset 25, select object to offset, specify point on side to offset. Okay. Because there is a hole, center of the circular portion, this is 10 millimeter distance, so offset 10, this is 10 millimeter, this will be center line. Now we change the types of line, we select center line, this is the center line. Click on match property, select source object, select destination object, and select destination object. Okay. Now we draw the hatch portion, because this drawing is cut in this way. In this way we cut whole part of the drawing into two equal parts. Now erase this portion. Now we hatch the cutting portion. Click on hatch, click at pick point, hatch this portion, this portion, this portion. Okay. Okay. This is the web portion, is not hatch, only this portion will be hatch. Okay, now we put dimension, click on linear dimension, specify first point, specify next point, this is 60 millimeter. Again click on linear dimension, specify first point, specify next point, this is 120. Again click on linear dimension, specify first point, specify next point, click on continue dimension, specify second point. Okay, now click on linear dimension, specify first point, specify next point. Done. Okay, again click on linear dimension, specify first point, specify next point, this is 10 millimeter. Then click on diameter dimension, click on this circle, this is 570. Again click on diameter dimension, click on this circle, this is 530. Now this is the tab, click on leader line, we click on this portion, ortho off. Now click on this, enter, again enter, type tab M12 into 10 deep. Okay, now the front view is complete. Now we draw top view, see from top. Okay, first we draw projection line, click on construction line or projection line, type V for vertical line. We draw projection line from this point, from this center point, from this point, and from this point first. Okay, now we draw a horizontal line, ortho on. Now draw offset line, click on offset, offset distance 80, offset distance 80. Now trim this portion, select object, now select object to trim. Okay, now this is the center line, this is the center line. From match property, select source object, select destination object, change to center line. Now click on line command, midpoint, from midpoint, first point, second point, midpoint, then extend this. Now change it to center line, select source object, select destination object. Okay, now we draw offset, this is 30, this is 30, offset command, click on offset 30 distance, this is 30, this is 30, and this diameter is 70, so offset from this point, from this line, this is 35, this is 35, click on offset distance 35, now trim this portion, trim this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion. Now erase this, this and this. Now we draw projection line. Click on construction line or projection line, type V for vertical line. Now projection line from this point, 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 and projection line from this point. Okay, now trim command, trim this line, trim this line, trim this line, this line, trim this line. Okay, now click on match property, select source object, select destination object, select destination object, select destination object, select destination object. Okay, we draw this portion, we draw this portion in top view. Okay, now offset 35, this is 35, offset from this 35, and offset, this is 10 in both direction, 5 and 5. Click on offset, offset distance 5, this is 5 and this is 5. Now click on trim, select this portion, then use trim command, trim command. Okay, use trim command. Now we draw the tap hole. Click on circle, specify center point for diameter D, diameter 12, for thread offset 1 millimeter, this is 1 millimeter. Now this will be extend to this circle. Now this is extend up to this line, these two line extend up to this line, extend this, extend this. Now use trim command, use trim command, trim this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, and this portion, trim this portion, trim this portion, this portion, this portion. Okay. Now this line, this line, this line and this line will be hidden line. This line will be hidden line. This is the hidden line. Draw line, hidden line. Click on match properties, select source object, select destination object. This is hidden line, and this is hidden line, this is hidden line, this is hidden line, this is hidden line, this is hidden line. Okay. Now we put the dimension in top view. This is the cutting plane line, cutting this line, and see from this portion, from this side. This is the sectional front view and this is the top view. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.